Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to upload high quality images to your WhatsApp status without losing its quality or it being blurred. This is a two WhatsApp status images with one posted the normal way and the other applied with a trick. Looking at the first one posted the normal way, you find out that the images are blurred and the writings cannot be seen correctly. But the second one has high quality HD image. The writings and images are clearly seen. This method too can be used to apply to videos. If you want to learn how this is done, let's get started. First step is quite simple. You move to Play Store and you search for Pixel Lab and you click on install. After installing Pixel Lab, you move to your gallery and look for the picture you want to post to WhatsApp status. In this video, we are going to use this picture. After choosing our picture, we will go to Pixel Lab to edit the picture to give us the HD quality we want. This app helps us to maintain the quality picture of the image. We will first click on the two square boxes, select transparent and then click on the three dotted at the top right corner. Select use image from gallery. And then you select the image that you want to post to WhatsApp. You can make changes to the image. If everything is good to go, you click on the mark sign. And the final and the most important part, click on the save button. Click on save as image. Then you move to dimension where there is default and you will change it to very high or ultra. And you click on save to gallery. We are then going to post our edited image from Pixel Lab to WhatsApp status. It is not advisable to post it directly to our WhatsApp status because it will still not work. This is because posting it directly will not give you the feature to choose HD quality. As you can see, our image is still blurred and cannot be seen properly. But rather do this, choose one chat from your contact and post the image to the chat. You will find HD button at the top of the page. Click on it and select HD quality and then post the image to the chat. We now have high quality image which is clearly seen and free from blur. We then forward this image directly to our WhatsApp status. Now let's compare the two and see the difference. The normal one you can see is blur. Even when you zoom out, the writing still cannot be seen. This image has been compressed by WhatsApp system to 5 MB, so it has lost its quality. By looking at our method we apply to our second image, you can see the image has maintained its quality even though WhatsApp compressed it. If you zoom in, you can see the writing and image clearly. The image has been converted to HD standard, so it has still maintained its quality. This same approach can be applied to videos. You will choose one chat from your contact. Select the video you want to post. Click on the HD button at the top of the page and select HD quality and post to the chat. We then select the video and forward it directly to our WhatsApp status. You can clearly see our video too is updated in HD quality and can be seen clearly. I hope you find this video useful. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like and comment for more useful tips and strategies. See you in the next video.